Florida, where the state bird is the tiger mosquito. Really, I'm just kidding about it, but there is plenty of mosquitoes down here in Florida. And I'm going to explain to you why mosquito control up to this point just doesn't work, and show you something that does. Let's go into the backyard. Like most living things, mosquitoes have a territory. They live and breed within 150 yards of where they're born. The Mosquito Warden totally eliminates mosquitoes from your yard by breaking the breeding cycle. It's easy to install. The Mosquito Warden is engineered to lure blood-seeking insects without attracting beneficial insects, so it's eco-friendly. And the Mosquito Warden uses a special engineered LED light and CO2 scent to attract mosquitoes away from you and your family. It has no odd smells or dangerous fumes. Mosquito Warden's suction traps mosquitoes until they die naturally. Low voltage Mosquito Warden is safe for children because it has no zapper or chemical fumes involved. And the Mosquito Warden's one low voltage transformer connect up to 12 units. The Mosquito Warden is a one-time cost and virtually no maintenance with a 5-year bulb warranty. Other zappers and traps that plug in have bulbs that need to be replaced annually, so there's additional expenses there also. We place these Mosquito Wardens approximately 30 feet apart between where you play and where the mosquitoes live. Keep in mind, you can connect up to 12 of these units on one single transformer and protect up to an acre of yard mosquito-free. This is the Mosquito Warden transformer. It's 18 volt AC, so it's safe, even if pets or people dig up the wire and get into it. Let me show you how it's hooked up. The Mosquito Warden wire hooks directly back to the back of the transformer, like this. We're going to take this transformer and plug it into a regular receptacle. And then we're going to take this wire and we're going to go into this drain and out the building so it's nice and clean. We'll show you that when we're burying it. So to bury this wire is quite easy. You take a standard edge trimmer, that's a hand trimmer, you're going to step it into the ground and go back and forth. And you're going to do that in the path of the wire. After you cut the hole, you're just going to push the wire to the bottom of that V groove. And then we're going to step on it to close it back up. This is how they bury TV cable and telephone wires. And it virtually disappears. Give it a week of grass growth and you'll never see it again. Now we're going to connect these wires together by giving them a gentle twist. And then use these special wire nuts that are filled with gel that makes this connection waterproof. Spin them on until they're tight. You can see where it seals up. You're done now. Now we're going to use the provided zip ties just to secure the waterproof line to the leg and tuck away the wire nuts. The Mosquito Warden system is now deployed and it's doing its job. Every time a female mosquito who needs blood for its eggs comes out, it'll get attracted to the trap and get trapped there. It's important to break that breeding cycle because you can almost completely eliminate all mosquitoes in your area over a short few months because they're going to get caught in there and they're not going to be able to breed, and those eggs are not going to hatch, and therefore the mosquito population within your 150 yards will go down to near zero. Enjoy your yard.